Completed another little project I had to do for the boot camp I'm in. This time it's just like a little quiz. I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull from the computer I was working with because I was working on my Mac and not on this computer. So let's go ahead and get pull. And there we go. It took a while, but now it's good to go. Let's actually go ahead and check out the project, how it looks, and then we'll come back and go over the files and everything in here. So let's go live with Atom Live server. Alright, so it's just a simple quiz app. What it does is you basically can go ahead and create quizzes and add them here, and then it'll go ahead and have a quiz. I put some GIF configuration in here, so at the end you'll see like a little GIF depending on your score, and that GIF is obviously random. That keeps things interesting. So let's go ahead and take the Cookie Monster quiz and see how that goes. So Cookie Monster quiz. Oh yeah, and there's a time. Still gotta work on how the timer is gonna look and just fixing a couple things to the design of the app itself. But yeah, just minor stuff I can do relatively quickly. So cookies is going to be the answer for this one, of course. The Cookie Monster loves cookies. He is also color blue and he is crazy. NC is for cookie. Alrighty, so I'll go ahead and generate like a little GIF over here, tell you your score, all that good stuff. But enough of that. Let's actually look at the code and see how it's kind of like structured out. I think I did a bit of an overkill on this project. So basically, let's look at the entry point, which is index.html as always. So this over here is just gonna have Bootstrap because I like to use Bootstrap, some custom styles, jQuery because it's part of the jQuery chapter we're in, so I had to use jQuery in it. Not my favorite library because it's heavy as heck, but I have to use it. Then Quiz.js and main.js. So Quiz.js is going to be the section of my app, or little whatever. I don't think it's a full app. I wouldn't want to call it a full app, but of the thing. Which contains like the quiz generator. You also guys see what I mean in just a second. And the main.js is just like the control structure for it. So those are actually going to be in assets. So let's go to main.js. So main.js just kind of loads itself. There's a couple fetches in here because oddly enough the first screen is actually in index.html and just gives you the options. So it loads another screen asynchronously. That's actually the quiz itself, and then it populates this screen with whatever data it pulls from the quiz stuff. So you have like different quiz objects. So it's just JSON objects that get passed to the quiz object, and it generates the quiz and it handles all the quiz for you. So I think it's a little bit of an overkill for what the project was, which was to make a simple quiz app. But I wanted to make something that was cool because I can add quizzes to it really easily, and I can hook it up to a backend later on, and I'll have a way to add quizzes and display quizzes and make it a little bit more interactive than just a hard-coded quiz. It's not the best and most optimized quiz thing in the world, but I think it works. And whoa, something happened here. Whoa. Alrighty, we have a bug. That is weird. What is going on? Alrighty, let's check out. Let's try to open developer tools. Let's put this one. Whoa, what happened here? It was working when I was doing it on my MacBook. Not sure why it's not working now. Yeah, JavaScript JSON's not here. That's weird. Did it not pull through? It's actually in the repo, so if we go to my GitHub repo, it should be in there. I'm not crazy, am I? Trivia. What? Alrighty, so I guess a file didn't go through or something. Well, easy fix. Well, yeah, guys, that's my app. Anyways, see you guys in the next app.